Hi everybody, Sean here again from Refoundry. Welcome back to our Getting Started series. In this lesson we're going to be focusing on responsive previews, an essential part of ensuring that your site looks great on any device. We'll walk through how to preview your content across desktop, tablet, and mobile views, making adjustments using responsive settings where needed. Let's dive right in. First, let's see how our layout looks on different devices. At the top right hand corner of the editor, we have the preview button right here. Clicking on this gives you desktop, tablet, and mobile options. Let's see how this looks in tablet. You'll see that the shorter width of this column that we set in the previous lesson is not ideal. So we're going to want to set this back to 6 columns wide. So you can see across many settings within Refoundry this little responsive icon. This means any changes we make to these settings are device specific. So in this case, I can set this column to be 6 wide for tablet only. I can also toggle between the settings by clicking on this item and choosing the desktop icon. Now let's see how our layout looks like on phones. Clicking the preview icon again, I'll choose mobile. So you can see this is very squished. What we'll want to do is set each of these column blocks to be 12 columns wide or full width, so they'll stack on top of each other. I will select the first column block and set the column width to 12. I can now set the second column block to 12 columns as well. Now we can see that there's not very much space between this heading and this image. So I can also expand the spacing settings, and you can see here is this responsive icon. That means anything that I set here is for phones only. Now say for example on phones, now that I have this content stacked, I want all of this to be centered instead of left aligned. So for heading and paragraph blocks, the alignment options are actually responsive. So if I set this to be aligned centered for phone, then it'll only be center aligned for phone. But what do we do about this button? Well, because it's a block object, it doesn't have its own alignment controls. I can use the wrapping column and flex to govern how this is aligned to the center.